So now it's time to unbox two watch bands. Let's start with a Nectarine Sportloop for the 44mm Apple Watch Series 4. So let's start with an unboxing. As you can see here on the back side, pretty neat packaging. Some information, and here is the package itself. Let's open it. Nice, as you can see, an instruction on how you should mount this on the watch itself. Nice, and here is the Nectarine Sportloop Watchband. Let's remove this. It feels so good to do this, unbox a watch band, because Apple thinks of everything. This is so cool to do. And let's remove this like that. And here is the band itself, and as you can see, I have the seashell Sportloop on the watch now. So let's mount this on my Apple Watch Series 4. So here is the Nectarine Sportloop watch band, as you can see. Very cool. Looks nice, I think. And these sport loops I really like, because it's so easy to put your watch on and adjust it exactly as tight you want and so on. It works so good to do this. I really like that. Really like that. Okay. So that was the Nectarine Sportloop watch band.